Are you busting your butt to put up videos only to get no clicks, no views, zero comments? I know exactly how you feel. YouTube is harder than ever right now. It's so hard to break through, but I think I have a solution, and it is easier than you think because recently YouTube has given us a free tool that will fix most of the problems. Today, I'm going to show you something that has been hiding in plain sight inside of your own YouTube studio. This one thing has quietly become one of the most powerful but yet underused tools on the entire platform. So let's get into it. Right here in YouTube Studio, there is a feature called Ask Studio. Most creators have never even noticed it. It's that little sparkle icon in the sidebar in the upper right, and once you open it, you get private, exclusive access to your own channel's data. It's the kind of stuff that a third-party tool, they can't touch it. I mean, we are talking about every single comment, the sentiment behind that comment, exact retention graphs, drop-off timestamps, your traffic sources broken down by what actually brings in subscribers, audience demographics, age, geography, the device they use. It's all kinds of stuff like that. This isn't generic analytics. This is your audience literally telling you what they want, when they want it, and why they leave. If you know about it, then you know all you have to do is ask the right questions. And that is the only hard part. But I'm going to fix that for you today. You know, without the right questions, all AI, we're just guessing at that point. And here's the problem. We follow generic advice that doesn't really fit our channel. We stare at analytics we don't really understand, don't know what they actually do. And then we post videos that underperform, and it drains our motivation. Growth feels like it's slow and unpredictable, but the solution is simple. It's data-backed answers from the AI that you already have, and it already knows your channel better than any outside consultant ever could. The right questions unlock answers that they're already sitting there in your dashboard. Here's the part that'll blow your mind. A professional YouTube channel audit from a real consultant runs between $1,500 and $3,000. And what I have figured out, what I am doing, delivers the exact same depth and often better results because it is powered by your own real data, and YouTube lets you use it for free. It's incredibly powerful if you have the right prompts. So whether you're a brand new channel trying to validate your ideas, a growing channel trying to sharpen what's working, or an established channel looking to scale and monetize even better, these prompts, they'll improve your current position. So what I'm actually talking about here is the Ask Studio Mastery Pack. It is 27 copy and paste prompts organized into 8 practical categories. Every prompt is tagged for new, growing, or established channels, plus a usage guide and tracking templates. You literally open Ask Studio, paste a prompt, fill in a couple specifics about your channel, and you get personalized strategy information in seconds. No paid tools, no subscriptions. It's just you and your own numbers. And why does it work? Well, you are working directly with Google Gemini and the YouTube algorithm. So it is rock solid data. So I organize these 27 prompts across 8 categories. So you can go straight to whatever you need the most right now. Could be hooks and thumbnails. Could be content strategy. Could it be audience retention, monetization, weekly check-ins, man, you name it. And each category has 3 deep dive prompts, plus bonus diagnostics. You can literally spend 10 to 15 minutes on a Sunday and walk away with a very clear game plan for the next week. So here's exactly how to use it to get the best results. You open Ask Studio, that's the sparkly icon, copy one of the prompts, paste it in, edit the placeholders with your specific videos, niche, goals, whatever it is, review the answer, and then take action. And the pro tip, the more context you give it, the more specific you are, with video titles, your niche, your content goals, the sharper, more useful, and more powerful the answers become. Remember, friends, if you are using AI, vague questions get vague answers. So after 20 years of doing this, here are the habits that actually move the needle. Do a weekly check-in every Sunday. I made prompt 22 for that a non-negotiable ritual. Reference your best performing videos as benchmarks. Save your best Ask Studio responses and build your own personal channel playbook. Use the first 3 prompts as a pre-published checklist before every single upload. These small habits separate creators who eventually win from those who will stay stuck guessing forever. Look, your data is already there. Your audience has already told you what they want. The only thing missing is knowing the right questions to ask. The creators who win aren't necessarily the ones working the hardest. They're the ones making the smartest decisions with the data that they already have. So here's the deal. I put together the entire Ask Studio Mastery Pack for you. All 27 prompts, usage guide, tracking templates, instant access, copy and paste ready. It starts today. The link is in the description, in my bio, and I will pin it in the first comment. And if you want me to send you the link directly, go ahead and put the word ready in the comments. I encourage you to grab it now, open up Ask Studio, and start getting real answers from your own channel data. You've already got the tool. Now you've got the prompts. And if this video helps you, do me a quick favor, drop a comment and tell me which prompt that you are going to try first. I read every single comment. Hit that like button if you want more practical YouTube strategies, and subscribe if you're serious about growing your business. Hey man, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. I am out.